Ladies and gentlemen, guess who just found another potential parabolic multi-million dollar maker stock? And that's going to be SYTA. And it's only because of what they got going on. They have this is another company with a huge merger going on. And as you can tell on Friday, people are starting to pick up on it. Uh, and I mean, if we go back to where we really did see some movement about, this upcoming merger, check this out. Pretty much went from $1 to almost 9. Uh, you can do the math on how much, potential could have been made there, but I mean, yeah, we're talking about, a major penny stock to potentially go to another $8 play, right? Potentially. And it's already starting to give a little curl up to those levels. Uh, so if we go here, um, it's talking about the 24/7 market news, final trading days of quarter two with clock ticking on SYTA's $180 million merger with Core Gaming. Uh, yes, so AI powered mobile gaming, and we all know how big AI has been recently. I'm not going to lie. I mean, I use AI all day, every day, especially when analyzing all these files. I mean, as you can tell, I mean, you can look right here. I'm an open book. I'm not going to lie to y'all about how I get my information or how I outsource it. But I mean, let's be honest. I'm not about to spend 20 years reading all of this. Like, I mean, this is ridiculous. So, you know, I'm going to use one of humans' greatest inventions, Chat GPT. So, anyways, yeah. At the end of the day, all this is nonsense. I mean, let's be honest. Uh, all this is nonsense. I had AI basically break it all down, saying that the merger is finalizing and it should be coming out any day now. We also look at this stock. I went on FinViz. Check this out. Little debt to equity ratio. Debt to equity ratio is below 1, which is huge. That means there's little debt and they have money on hand. We have a small float right here, uh, 5.10 mil, which means, for penny stocks or any stock in general, with a float this small, it's going to move. Especially with this merger news coming. I mean, I'm thinking it could possibly go back up. I mean, realistically, I'm looking at 4 as an exit target, but that's what I'm just looking at. I mean, who knows with these kind of things. But yeah, I just wanted to get this out there. SYTA does have this merger going on. I did look at dilutiontracker.com. We did have some offerings back last year on June 2024, August 2020, 24th, September 2024, all of these S1 offerings. I do think they are out of the way. And I mean, if we scroll down here, we had warrants from years ago, literally years ago, which isn't probably a problem anymore. And then the only other thing we have is, let's see, Hudson Global on, January 2025, an equity line, which means they're just using their own stock. It's not like they're diluting it with any more. So, nothing to worry about really. So I mean, I potentially see this going at least $4 minimum. Who knows? That's just my opinion though. But yeah, I mean, I just wanted to get this out there. If you wanted to know a little bit about Siyata Mobile, it's engaged in the sale of vehicle-mounted cellular-based communications platform over advanced 4G mobile networks. And yeah, I mean, but I just wanted to get this out there. We have a great company with uh, a huge merger that's potentially about to, come in. If we go right here, yeah, I mean, I don't know how many times I got to repeat myself about how big this is. The merger between Siyata Mobile and Core Gaming is poised to unlock significant value in the booming gaming sector, with its $160 million valuation representing a compelling. Yeah, I mean, it's just, it's just another stock that will probably potentially blow up. If you do click on the link below, it will lead you to my Discord, and I was talking about this on June 20th about saying heads up, another merger play coming in the future, SYTA. And yeah, I mean, so we have something that is poised to probably, go up 100% plus. Uh, let's go back to NLSP. I made a video on this a week ago, a few days ago. Yeah, probably. Um, and so far, it's already up 10, 15, 20% since I made that video, and it's still climbing. That 286 range, it keeps getting retested. It looks like it loves to get rejected by that range. But, I mean, like I said, on this one, this merger's coming out probably this week. Uh, and, keep an eye out on Bull also. I've been talking about this company a lot also. This is going to be my like huge long-term company to watch, but with Webull, if you go back to my previous video, it has warrants. Well, guess what? Those warrants are out the way on June 30th, which is tomorrow. So let's watch what happens with pretty much all these companies. But yeah, I really just wanted to get this video out to just spread awareness that SYTA may be another parabolic mover. Like always, please like and subscribe. I mean, this is what helps me um, buy more car parts because apparently when you live in the South, some shitty two-sided tape just loves to just fall off your car. So, piece of garbage. Anyways, yep. Please like and subscribe, and let's see what happens.